The work week started off with a cold front heading up the east coast and a ridging high moving in behind it, bringing in some cloud and a few drops of rainfall. And on our satellite, you'll also see a band of cirrus in the southwest, as well as over the northern part of South Africa. On Tuesday, the cloudy weather and the possibility of rain extends over the eastern part of the country, with some light rain extending through to parts of Limpopo, partly cloudy and dry over the central and southeastern parts, with berg winds resulting in a warm day for the Western Cape and a hot forecast along the southern and western coastline. In KwaZulu-Natal, overcast weather is forecast on Tuesday with a possibility of rain along the coast and the adjacent lying interior, 19 degrees for Pietermaritzburg and Ulundi, with some morning drizzle expected over the western parts. Morning drizzle also starts off the day in East London with a high of 22 degrees. We head into the mid-20s for Adelaide and Bishu, partly cloudy for Port Elizabeth at 22, with a high fire danger warning for Graaff-Reinet and Beaufort West, both at 25. Hot over the southern part of South Africa, George and Plettenberg Bay just shy of 30, 27 for Mussel Bay and Longabaan, with a warm day throughout the Western Cape. We're expecting evening rainfall mainly along the coast, with a high of 24 degrees for Cape Town. Partly cloudy and hot for Vredendal at 32 degrees, Springbok at 25, and an unusually warm day for Uppington at 28 degrees. Partly cloudy over this part of South Africa with a maximum of around 20 for Bloemfontein and Welkom. Mostly cloudy and colder for Harrismith at only 14 degrees. Partly cloudy and dry for the northwest, 23 for Vryburg, and a high around 20 degrees as we head towards Zeerust and Rustenburg. We're forecasting light rain for Polokwane, Zanin and Phalaborwa, with that cooler air starting to push in, particularly over the eastern part of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Overcast with rain for Bombela at 19 degrees, eMakhazeni and Umkhondo both expecting some light rain or drizzle. It'll be a cold day for much of Mpumalanga. Cool to mild though as we head towards Gauteng, partly cloudy and dry, 17 degrees for Soweto and Pretoria, expecting a high of 21. On Wednesday, you'll see the warm weather spread through to KwaZulu-Natal with some morning rain for Cape Town and the possibility of rain over the southern part of South Africa. On Thursday, we're forecasting light rain along the eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast, with a mostly sunny and mild to warm day over the interior. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great week.